Your company is in the market for an enterprise AI solution. You guys have looked around, you said, hey, it's time we jump on this AI bandwagon. We think it's going to really help our company. But as you've seen, there's a lot of options out there. Well, which features are really important when it comes to enterprise AI solutions? Well, a multi-model application is right there at the top for me. So let's talk about that. My name is Mike Smith. I'm the president of AeroCom. Let's put our heads together on this. But first, if you'd like my recommendation on the best enterprise AI solutions that your company should be quoting, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. Don't start trying to Google it and try to find out all this stuff directly. Join the thousands of other IT departments who have used me to help their company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. And I'm not going to charge your company a dime for my services because the service providers pay me my broker fee. I'm a broker for all the major solutions out there. And so based on your company's requirements, I can tell you which solutions are best for you and your company, and I can make sure your company gets the best pricing and best demos on that solution. You're working with the best salespeople, all that good stuff. And I'm not going to charge you anything for it. So there's no excuse not to at least reach out and get my opinion on this stuff. So send me an email, give me a call. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out videos every single week and you'll miss them if you're not subscribed. And go check out our website, AeroCominc.com. Okay, you might have seen on my previous video that I've done where I compare 11 different LLMs and tell you what their strengths are, what they're really good at doing. You might have seen, if you watch that video, which I definitely suggest, every LLM's a little bit different in the strengths that they have. And some of them do a really good job at creative writing, for instance. Others do a really good job at coding. Others do a really good job at analyzing sales information and giving you the information you need to know about your sales organization. When you look at enterprise LLM solutions, you have different departments within your company. And each department is going to have a different need for AI. Some departments are going to be human resources, and obviously human resources is going to be different for your development department. You know, if they're doing custom software development, they need different AI than HR does. Or maybe your marketing department needs to write marketing content for AI where they need creative writing. So you need a lot of different types of solutions. So what do? One option is your company could buy a different enterprise AI solution for each department individually. If you do that, the problem is now you're managing multiple AI solutions, which gets kind of confusing. Also, if you have a medium to large size company, if you're purchasing each solution individually per user, it gets really pricey. So what should your company do? Well, in my opinion, your company should be looking into enterprise AI solutions with multi-model access, meaning that you have one AI application that gives you a choice to choose which LLM model you want to use as a user. So me as a user, I can go into my AI application and I can say, hey, I'm doing some coding. I want to use this LLM because they're best at coding. Or maybe I want to use this other LLM because they're best at creative writing. But I have a choice of all the different LLMs to choose from. And the cool thing about applications like that is a lot of times they just charge you a platform fee. They don't charge you per user. So not only is it nice because you're only using one AI application, you're also paying a lot less for it, especially if you're a medium to large size company. That's really where the pricing starts to get really good. If you have, say, 100 users or more that need the enterprise AI solution, a multi-model access solution is definitely the way to go. So I hope that was helpful. Again, if you like my recommendation on the best enterprise AI solutions for your company, especially if you have 50 to 100 or more users that are going to need it, reach out and contact me. That is my sweet spot. I will make sure you get introduced to the best vendors that do this, and I'll introduce you to the best reps to work with. I'll make sure you get a great demo of it. I'll make sure your company is getting quoted on the best pricing available. So send me an email, give me a call. I'm a broker for all the major vendors out there in this market space, and I love helping customers with this stuff. And the nice thing is I don't charge your company anything for my broker services because the service providers actually pay me my broker fee. So there's no excuse not to at least reach out and get my opinion on this. So send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help you. Also, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Otherwise, you're going to miss my weekly videos that I put out. and go to our website, aerocominc.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.